Hey, so it's a little bit of a story time now. About a year ago, if you remember, there used to be a big rotten tree out there that got cut down. And when it fell down, there were baby squirrels in it, which we suspected. That's why we were watching and then rescued them. We then got the baby squirrels and put them here in the planter for the mama to find, which she did, and carried all 5 babies away. For the last year, we've been putting food out for Mama Squirrel and the babies, and especially right here outside the window. And when they run out of food, they stand on the picnic table and look in the window. Dear friends, we have enjoyed the last year so much. 2 of the baby squirrels did not make it. They ended up out there on the road. But anyhow, 3 of our babies have survived. So here's where the story gets a little tricky. I came downstairs to let the dogs outside and make some coffee. And as I'm walking through the hallway to go back to my room, I hear scratching noises up here. This is the attic. What do you think has happened? That's the front door. That's where the planter and everything is. This is where I was hearing the scratching. Here we are on the 2nd floor. That is my bedroom. This is the door to the attic, where the scratching was happening. So we know what's happening, right? Mama Squirrel obviously loves us so much. She wants to give birth to babies in our attic. So I have an extension cord and my Alexa. No, not my Alexa, I guess my Alexa. And turn the light on and have Alexa playing annoying drumming music.
Here's a mix for you on Amazon Music.
Alexa, go back to the previous playlist.
Here is a playlist you recently listened to, Drum Riffs, from Amazon Music.
Don't get me wrong, I love my Mama Squirrel and her babies. I just don't want her giving birth to a litter in the attic. So this is the humane way to do it. Light on,